In this video, we'll show you how to track your Amazon sales performance with JungleScout. If you're new to this powerful tool, stick with us, because by the end, you'll be tracking your Amazon business like a pro and understanding key metrics that can drive your success. JungleScout is a must-have for any serious Amazon seller, and it helps you track everything from sales trends to product performance. The good news? You can start using it for completely free through our exclusive link below, which also gives you some special bonuses. First things first, what is JungleScout? It's an all-in-one tool for Amazon sellers, and one of its standout features is its ability to track your Amazon sales performance. Whether you're selling one product or running a full-scale Amazon business, JungleScout's sales analytics can give you real-time insights into how your products are performing on the marketplace. To get started, you'll need to link your Amazon Seller Central account to JungleScout. Once linked, you'll see a dashboard that shows key performance indicators like total sales, profit margins, and inventory health. The data is broken down in a way that's easy to digest, even for beginners. One of the most powerful features of JungleScout is the Sales Analytics tool. This tool tracks all your sales in detail, giving you a clear picture of how much you're earning, how much you're spending on ads, and what your net profits are. With this information, you can optimize your Amazon listings and advertising strategy to make more money. But that's not all. JungleScout also helps you identify trends in your sales data. For instance, you'll be able to see how your sales have been trending over time, whether your product is seasonal, and when you might expect to hit a sales peak. This can help you adjust your inventory levels and marketing campaigns accordingly. JungleScout doesn't just stop at tracking sales. It also tracks your Amazon rankings. You can monitor where your products stand in search results, which is critical if you want to stay ahead of your competition. JungleScout's keyword tracking tool can show you which keywords are driving traffic to your listings, so you can adjust your product listings to rank higher. Now, for those of you thinking about scaling your business, JungleScout has you covered. It's not just about tracking your sales today, but also about planning for the future. You can track the performance of products that are about to launch, so you can be sure your new product is on the right track before it even hits the market. Another really cool feature is the ability to track your competitors' performance. You can compare your sales with other sellers in the same niche to see how you stack up. This competitive analysis is invaluable, especially if you're trying to grow in a crowded market. What's even better is that JungleScout offers you access to these insights through a user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a data expert to understand your sales performance. The dashboard is designed to give you the key insights you need without the overwhelming details. To make it even easier, JungleScout sends you performance reports, so you don't have to log in every day to see how things are going. These reports break down your performance into digestible data points, making it simple to track what's working and what's not. By now, you should see how powerful JungleScout can be in helping you track your Amazon sales performance. If you're serious about growing your Amazon business, this tool is essential. And remember, if you want to get started with JungleScout for free, click the link below. We've partnered with them to offer an extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Now that you've seen how JungleScout can transform your sales tracking, go ahead and dive into the software, use the data to optimize your strategy, and watch your Amazon business grow. So, to recap, JungleScout gives you detailed insights into your sales performance, helps track your product rankings, and even lets you analyze competitor data. If you want to take your Amazon sales to the next level, JungleScout is the way to go. Don't forget to use the link in the description for your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you've tried JungleScout or have any questions.